It is generally recommended to include ducting and roof penetration in the quote for a bathroom vent fan installation. These components are essential for the proper functioning of the fan. Without proper ducting, the fan will not effectively remove moisture and odors from the bathroom. Similarly, without a properly sealed roof penetration, there is a risk of water leakage and roof damage. By including these components in the quote, you ensure the installation is done correctly and avoid potential liability issues. The price to charge for a bathroom vent fan installation will vary depending on several factors. These factors are firstly, the type of fan. Inline fans are generally more expensive to install than ceiling fans. Secondly, the length of ductwork required. Longer ductwork requires more time and materials. Thirdly, accessibility. If the fan is in a difficult to access location, it will take longer to install. Fourthly, local labor rates, which vary from region to region. As a general guideline, you can expect to charge around $150 to $300 for a basic bathroom vent fan installation. Bathroom vent fan installations can take longer than expected because firstly, cutting through walls and ceilings to create openings for the fan and ductwork can be time-consuming. Secondly, installing the fan, mounting it securely, and connecting it to the ductwork can be tricky. Thirdly, running the ductwork, especially if it needs to be run through multiple rooms or floors, can add significant time. Fourthly, connecting the fan to the electrical system requires running wires and connecting them to the fan and a switch. Fifthly, finishing touches such as sealing the openings around the fan and ductwork, and painting or patching as needed, can all take time. Here are a few tips for efficient installation. Firstly, use a hole saw to cut through walls and ceilings. Secondly, pre-assemble the ductwork as much as possible before installing it. Thirdly, use caulk or sealant to seal all openings around the fan and ductwork. Fourthly, test the fan to ensure it is operating properly before finishing the installation.